Hey guys, so I bought these stealth mirrors from stealthmirrors.com for my 2023 Husqvarna SM701. About to put them on. As you can see, these stock mirrors are just so huge and ugly. And the cool thing about these ones, they reuse the same mounting position. So once you take these off, they'll just go right into place and hang down there. So I'm going to put these on and then see how it looks. Hang tight. Alright, as you can see, got the mirrors on now. I already sat on the bike, tried it out, looked at the field of vision. So it's got some adjustability. As you can see here, I got mine tilted back and I got it offset to the right. I got this one, same thing. Right here it tilts back. And I got this one offsetted to the left. And I can see perfectly behind me, to the left of me, perfectly behind me, to the right of me with this one. And I got a way better field of view with these small tucked away mirrors than I do with the big factory mirrors, believe it or not. Now I haven't rode the bike yet, I just sat on it, looked on them, and from sitting on the bike I got a way better field of view. And for some reason it's easier for me to look down and look at these ones than look up to the right and up to the left of the bigger stock ones. So, got any questions, let me know. And I'll be getting a better review of these once I actually ride and use them.